And hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this is Rina Alexa Mandikaning, and our blog today is all about networking. And we'll start now. What is networking? Networking refers to the practice of connecting computers and other devices so they can communicate and share resources. It can mean different things depending on context. That are the networking. And we have an example of tools. These are the tools of networking, and the next pictures we have that is a network cable tester, and next is RG45 connectors, and next is screwdrivers, and next is light is that punch down tool, and next is crimping tools, like ano po siya sa wire or sa ginagamit po to siya sa RG45 connectors. And that is cable stripper. That is cable stripper. And that yellow naman is cable stripper. And like yung isa naman po ay crucial cable stripper. At yan ang ating makikita sa loob ng wire. Yan, may mga color coding po yan, may mga. And itatry natin yung RG45 na ginawa namin. So, we'll see. Yan ang ginawa namin. Yung tinister namin yung cable tester. And, shala, kanyan po siya. If yung wire mo at yung wire niya ay same, I think negative and positive. Pag ganyan dadagan siya, dapat mabak siya sa 1, 2, 3. At kung kamay na rin kayo, meron kayong maling wire or anything na anong nangyari sa yung wire. And that's all our videos today for my daily vlog. It's all about networking, and I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. Goodbye everyone. God bless you all.